Well, young children are now allowed back into some local health centers after the recent measles outbreak in our area. LifeBridge Health owns several medical centers here in the Baltimore region. It's now lifted its temporary restriction for hospital visitors. WMAR 2 Chanel Pearman's live in the newsroom now with more on those changes.
Christian, LifeBridge is removing its ban of hospital visitors under the age of 14 since it's been several days since the last confirmed measles case in our area. The ban was originally put in place almost a month ago after 4 confirmed cases of the measles in the Pikesville area. LifeBridge Health banned hospital visitors under the age of 14 from all of their facilities. The company says it's removing the ban because it's been more than 14 days since the last confirmed case and there's no trace of the measles in the area. Officials say the hospital says that they appreciate the understanding of patients and their families who may have been inconvenienced, but says the decision was made in the best interest of patients. Meanwhile, the measles outbreak continues to grow across the country. The CDC reports 60 more confirmed cases of the infection in the last week. That makes 764 known cases so far this year. It's a 25-year high, the most since 1994, when the viral infection was declared eliminated from the U.S. So 23 states are now impacted by the outbreak, including right here in Maryland. Christian?